manually. Daria, what you are trying to tell me?
He is trying to tell
Lakshya,
same.
let Daria also speak, no? Give him a chance to
Ma'am,
speak.
I was saying that you will check individually or it will give mark that time.
No, I will check it manually.
Okay.
So after 1 minute, I will post the link in the classroom. Then you have to go from the classroom and let me complete my instructions, bacha. Then turn on your mics. I am within 1 minute. I am going to post the link in the classroom. You go to the classroom and you start doing the Google form. Meantime, I will ask the tables also from you all, right? And if you need to solve any question in the notebook, keep notebooks with you to solve. No need to send me your rough work. Okay, only send the Google form to me. So within 1 minute, I'm going to post the link in the classroom. You can enter from the classroom. Yes, Priya, you were trying to tell me something. Is any child any query till now? Turn on your camera, then only I will accept your Google form. If you sit with your camera off, yes, Desai, I can understand your problem. I am explaining to other students, Mohit, Jahan, Kunal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My
My mom
camera
has
in
sent
this.
the mail.
Mom, send the
Mail.
regarding.
My camera will be off because the camera is not working.
But I have not received, bacha.
Excuse me, ma'am. I've sent to all the teachers, Catherine ma'am and all the teachers, and you also.
But just send me also.
Renu ma'am, in this my brother is using my own laptop because in this laptop the camera takes so much time to on, so it will not get on only.
Okay.
Ma'am, and while
Can
another
I
tab.
put the link and can I talk you later?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had sent to you yesterday.
But I have not received it.
And ma'am,
Children, now refresh your classroom. And now you can enter to the Google form.
I sent to you again.
Ma'am got.
Yes, Nishika, I received now. Any child, any difficulty? The child who was speaking in between can speak and talk to me. Children, have you received the Google form? Show me thumbs up if you have received. Kevna, Rudra Master, Daksh Patel, Vivan Balchandani.
ma'am,
Please turn on your camera. Arna Agarwal.
ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
Excuse me,
I
ma'am.
have not
Yes,
received
Karna.
May I go to
Google
washroom?
Wait,
form.
Rudra. Let me talk with Karna, then to Rudra. Yes, Karna.
May I go to washroom?
Yes, please, then come first.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
Rudra.
ma'am.
Arna, mute yourself for a minute. First, I talk to Rudra, then Arna. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, I have not received the.
You refresh your classroom, please. First, refresh your classroom.
Ma'am, I have refreshed it.
My dear, I have sent in the classroom. Everyone can access.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arna.
Ma'am, when I do a Google form, my camera automatically get off.
Okay. Any other child? Any problem? Yes, Kevna.
Ma'am,
First
can you
Kevna,
check?
then Lakshya. Yes, Kevna.
because the reason behind it is because we are opening another tab.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
so
I
I
can
can.
understand. Okay. If you have such problem that you are going to the Google form. Okay, Jahan.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lakshya.
ma'am, can you pin me? You can check it is camera off
It's
on
on. You are
or on.
visible to me. Rudra
Ma'am, you
Master.
can visible to me.
Yes. Rudra
Okay.
Master, can you able to enter in the Google form now? Rudra Master. Rudra. Are you able to log into the
Yeah,
Google
ma'am.
form now?
Yeah.
Is any child facing any difficulty in the Google form?
No,
I
ma'am.
request Anushka to stable its camera, please. Your camera is moving.
Ma'am, I can't stable my camera because I'm doing the Google form. So it will be just a bit
Ma'am,
different.
Yes, Dhyandalan.
I don't understand the first question.
Let me present the screen and explain you.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
please.
also have a question, ma'am. In the fifth one, it's written that the sum of the place value of the digit 6. In this, so ma'am, we have to take the place. What is the place value of it? We have to take out.
Listen, my dear, listen. I am going to explain you each and every question now.
Ma'am, there are 2 6.
After that, if you have a problem, just ask me. First, let me explain you.
Ma'am.
Can I read the questions all?
Yes.
Don't ask that I am having problem in first, then other child will say in the fourth, then other child will say in the fifth. I am going to explain you all the questions and listen them very, very carefully. And mute yourself. First question is the area of a square whose side is 1 centimeter is. Then how you will find the area of a square? एक side 1 centimeter है. So how you will find the area? It's a square figure. It's not a rectangle that you waiting for the length and the breadth. Got it, Dhyan Dalal? It's a square. And if you know one side of a square, you can able to find the area of a square. Dhyan Dalal, I am talking to you. Can you answer me, bacha? You understood?
Yes.
Yes. I think you were waiting for the length and breadth.
Ma'am, in second one, we have to write in numerical form or we have to write in word. I know the answer.
Any form, any form.
Okay.
Dash lakhs make a million. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do notebook work also.
No. You, if you require, you can keep the notebook with you, but don't send me.
Okay. Ma'am, can you send the link again?
What? Vedi? Already in the classroom. Link is there already in the classroom. Go from classroom. Refresh your classroom. Third question is the pentagon is a polygon with dash sides. How many sides in a polygon? You need to write that. Fourth question is by using the digits 0, 4, 2, 6 and 7, write the smallest 5-digit number. And I have given you when 0 is there, which rule you will apply. If you write 0 first, what will happen? So please remember and bring it in your mind and then do this question. Because I have already explained you how to write the smallest number with the given number of digits. But always remember the rule of 0 when you are writing the smallest number. Now I go to the next sum. Question number 5th. The sum of the place values of the digit is digit 6 in. There are 2 6 in this. So first you write the place value, not the place I am telling. You will not write only 10,000 or only 1,000. No, how many thousands? Place value of 6, there are 2 6. First place value you will write of 1 6, then place value of the another 6 and add them. Sum means addition. Got it? Anushka, you were facing difficulty. Now you got
Yes,
it. How
ma'am.
to do it?
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
The sum of the place values of the digit 6. Place value you will write. For example, if I will write the place value of 9, so I will say 900. I will not say 100 only. Got it, Nishika?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the place value of 1 6 at the highest place, and the next is the next 6 which is at the next place, and then add them. Sum means addition. The numeral for 1 crore 5 is 1 crore 5 को हम number form में कैसे लिखते हैं? The amount of surface a plain closed figure covers is called its. एक plain surface है, उस वो जितनी space लेता है, what we call it, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We measure angle by a special instrument called. Angle हम जिससे measure करते हैं उसका नाम क्या होता है? Two rays with a common end point form and two rays हैं, common end point है, वो क्या बना रही हैं?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't write in the. I can't do the next page because the fifth question in the fifth question I have a doubt. It is
Yeah.
showing that you can't write greater than you can write.
Once you will not able to complete the first page, you will not able to go to the next page. So complete all the questions on the first page, then you can able to the next page.
I had write the answer. But,
5 it is showing must be greater than 0.
yes,
Ayush,
ma'am.
Ayush and Nishika, someone is speaking, no? Yes, what happened, Rudra? Can you please explain me?
Ma'am, when I do the next page, on the fifth question, it is showing that you have to write greater than 0.
Okay, let me change, do this. Which one? Question number 6, 7?
5.
Okay, let me do the changes in this. So, children, I have done the changes. Can you check that? I have done the changes. Rudra, can you able to access it in that now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
Once I wrote the answer for the fifth one, it is downside of it is telling the number must be greater than 0.
I have done the changes. Now you do it.
Okay.
Now refresh your Google form. You can
Ma'am.
do it.
No, ma'am, it's not happening.
Changes
Ma'am.
is not
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a
Ma'am.
doubt in the 7th question.
Dhyan Dalal, Ekansh, Anushka, Rudra, Ayush, Nishika, all want to speak together, bacha. Write the queries in the chat box because others are doing. Write your query in the chat box. I will read the chat box and I will solve your queries one by one. Aryaman, you can write it any letter, the name. It will accept. Or you can write the Google form also in any letters. Write in the chat box because I'm answering in the chat box. I'm reading the chat box. Those who are writing the query in the chat box, that only. Doubt in 7th one. What doubt? Please read the question. Write the problem. Yeah, so don't refresh, Ekansh. Changes have already done. Just please check the question number 5 again. Not understood the 7th question. The amount of surface, a plain closed figure. कोई भी चीज हम अगर कोई भी क्लोज फिगर रखते हैं या फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई कीप दिस रिमोट ऑन दिस टेबल, तो जो वो स्पेस ले रहा है, व्हाट वी कॉल इट? अंडरस्टूड नाउ? अंडरस्टूड Twisha and Anushka, Nishika and Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5th one, anyone facing the difficulty in the 5th one now?
No, ma'am.
Dhyan, I have already did the correction in the fifth one. I have removed
Not
that line.
of the second place of the first page. First.
First page only I am telling. First page, fifth one, no?
Yes.
I
Ma'am,
have
they
done
need
the
to back.
correction.
Ma'am, they need to put the back button and then the next button. They need to
Yeah.
go on the first page.
Dhyan
And
Dalal,
then
go to the back
second.
button. Again, go to the fifth one, do it again, and then go to the next one. Rudra, are you able to do it? Okay. Ayush, any difficulty?
No, ma'am. The fifth question is solved.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, Priya, you cannot repeat the numbers in the fourth one. Only use this. Let me check the question first. Question number 4, you are talking about using the digits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 5 digits है. 5 ही आपको number बनाना है. Sorry, smallest number भी 5 digit का ही बनाना है. So you will not repeat the numbers. Got it, Priya? Priya, can you please speak because I'm.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next child, Karnav.
Ma'am, I have doubt in fifth one.
I have cut that, did the correction. Can you again click on the fifth one?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the fifth one. Not that in answer. Like if we have a question,
Ma'am,
it
ma'am,
is
it's
be a
ma'am.
number greater than 0.
I have done the correction. I removed that option, bacha.
Ma'am, but it's coming that only.
You go to the next back button and start doing the fifth one again.
Ma'am, ma'am, it's showing that you have to use more than a zero.
But I have removed that. You can please refresh your Google Classroom.
Ma'am, we have to do it. We
Yes,
have
ma'am,
to
now it's
cancel this
happening.
one and do it from beginning.
No, see, Anushka can also see. Now it's coming, no, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's proper.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyan, how you have done, Anushka? Can you please?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Renu, ma'am.
Wait a minute. She is explaining something.
ma'am, first we have to go to the last where it's written like 2 options, back and next. So we
Yes.
have to click on the back option, then again to the next option on that page. Now, when you will open and you will click the next button, it will give you the next page.
Dhyan Dalal, do one thing. Go to the back button. Now go to the question number 5th.
Ma'am.
There, wait a minute. I'm giving some instructions to him. Are you able to do it, Dhyan?
Ma'am, done. Yes, done.
Okay. Yes, Dhairya, tell me now.
Ma'am, I had kept my headphones down because it was paining. So I don't know what is the problem in fifth one. Which
No
fifth
problem
one?
now. No problem. You can able to do
So,
it.
ma'am, this last page fifth one or second page fifth one?
They were talking about the first page, 5th one. So now there is no problem. Everyone can access. So now please let me explain you and please be quiet, sincerely do the paper.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Which question?
Ma'am, in fifth one only, it's not that doubt. I have doubt in if
I will not explain now. Whatever you understood, you do it on that basis. This is your assessment.
No, ma'am, I have a doubt how to write the answer. Like I have a question 96512 of we have to write the place value of 5. So we have to write hundreds or 500.
100 is the place. Place value is the 500.
Okay.
This is example I'm giving you. This way you need to do it. Dare, mute your mic, please. I'm going to read the question number as I was reading and explaining you. The amount of surface is done, 7th one. 8th one also done. 9, 2 raised with a common endpoint form n. The smallest 8-digit number is, you need to write the smallest 8-digit number. Next, I will go to the next page.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in sixth one we had to put commas.
किसी भी way में करो, the way you understood, because it will accept
Okay.
everything. I will
Ma'am,
check it manually.
if I don't do comma, then it will not deduct my marks, no.
No. But better put if you have learned this. A right angle measures 125 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree. Then which place is to the right of the crores place? Crores place के right में कौन सी होती है? The digit in the tens place is, which digit is on the tens place out of the given number? What is the measure of a complete angle? We have learned complete angle is equals to how many degrees? How many tens make a 1 lakh? The parts of an angle are rays and lines, arms and sides, and arms and vertices. What is the round of the number nearest to the 100? Do the rounding numbers. Find the area of the following figure by counting the squares. 315,006,465 can be written as how? Which of these is always correct for an acute angle? Its arms are very small, its measure is less than 90 degree, its measure is greater than 90 degree. So कौन सा जो term है वो right है?
Ma'am.
Yes, Darya.
Nothing. It's okay. Problems.
Please ask, bacha.
No, ma'am. I was asking, did you called my name? I thought you called. That's
No.
why.
No. Next is one box of pencil costs 18. What is the cost of 14,919 boxes? Find the perimeter of the given figure. Write this number which is given in the third question in the expanded form. Seema draws a right angle. She divides right angle draw किया उसने. She divides it into 3 equal parts. What is the measure of each part? What kind of angle is this? Find the area of a square whose side is 8 centimeter. Don't ask for how to do the sum. I will not explain you here how to do. If any understanding in the question is any problem, then I will explain you. Otherwise, I will not explain you how to do it. That we will discuss in the next class, not right now. Meantime, I has already announced that I am going to take your tables assessment also. So, Khevna, I am going to stop the presentation. Yes, Khevna is there in the class.
Ma'am, I'm still performing my assessment.
Can you please give me the tables? Table of till which number you learn the tables?
Ma'am, actually, can I please do the because
Okay.
my all
To do it first. No problem. I can ask the tables tomorrow also.
I'm done.
Done. Those who have done, I will ask from them only. Please keep on reminding me that you have done. Then I will call that child only.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question 4 in the last slide.
Question number 4 of which group? Seema.
Ma'am, even I have
My dear, if you understand the language, you can able to do it. Nothing wrong in this question. Understand the language. It's saying 90 degree के angle को 3 parts में divide किया है. 90 degree की 3.
Oh, ma'am, I understood it.
Right angle है वो. Right. Understood now? The problem is you are facing the difficulty in understanding the language. Yes, Megdad, you have done? But your orals, your tables also done, right? Let me check the names of the students in my sheet so that I can call their name only.
Yeah, ma'am, you had done yesterday of mine.
Yes, yes.
So if you want,
You start writing tables in your notebook, Migdat.
well, how many?
Anna Agarwal from 12 to 15.
Oh.
Anna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anna, your orals are done? Yes, done, done. Next is Migdad is done. Vivan Balchandani. Vivan. He never listened in my question in my class. So Vivan, how will I grade you, bacha? You never turn on your camera. You never answer me in the class. Vivan, can you turn on your camera, please? Children, as soon as you complete and you start leaving from my class, so please don't expect that I will give you good marks in the assessment. Because I can see already 2 students left the class. See, again, he also left the class, Vivan Balchandani. Nishika,
Yes, ma'am.
table. Till which number you have learned the tables?
You had asked me yesterday, so I have to tell.
Let me check in my sheet. Yes, Nishika done. Next is which child is ready? Children, only 8 minutes are left.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika?
When will you tell the marks?
I will check it first.
Okay, ma'am.
Then.
Ma'am, I have done yesterday.
Yeah, Anya's is done. So the child who will finish the Google form, then only I will able to. Rudra Jajaria, your orals are done?
No,
Rudra?
ma'am.
No. Can you tell me till which number you have learned the tables?
Till 12.
Till 12 only? You don't know the table of 13 and 14?
Ma'am, I had learned till 20, but I had forgot.
Tell me, try to tell me the table of 13.
Ma'am, I've done my CET.
Okay,
13
then I
and
will call your name
13,
next.
13 those are 26.
Ma'am.
13 are 39. 13 4s are 52.
Hmm.
13 5s are 65.
Hmm.
13 6s are 78.
Hmm.
13 8s are
13 sevens are
13
91.
7s are 91. 13 8s are
104.
104. 13 9s are
170. 117.
117. 13 10s are 130.
Start learning tables after 13 now. Okay.
Now can I say?
Next, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka, you have learned tables till which number?
19.
Anushka, yours is done, I think.
Yes, ma'am. It's the last seat it was done.
Anushka's is done.
Ma'am, I can leave.
No. Start writing tables in your notebook from 12 to 15. Those who have done their assessment, they start writing tables in the notebook.
And my tables are left.
Your test is done. Can I ask the tables now? First, you do the test. I will ask the tables tomorrow also. What Ekansh is writing in the chat box? Let me check.
Out in second base.
Of second
Second
page.
question.
If you don't understood, then I will explain you in the next class. Whatever you understood from the question, do it on that basis. Okay? This is the assessment, so I cannot explain you right now. Freya, please do it whatever you have understood after reading the question. Doubts will be clear in the next class.
Ma'am, what will I write there?
Whatever you understood, then anything you can write. Without that, it will not accept you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you check that I had said yesterday table means on Monday? So can you check?
Let me check. Yes.
So, but ma'am, my seat is going on. Only few questions are left, so I'm staying here only.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, what you are doing?
I'm asking tables.
Ma'am, table's done. Till 15.
Right after 15. Gunav, your test is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Gunav, you have learned the tables till which number?
15.
15. Tell me the table of 14.
14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 46 are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140.
Ma'am, done writing tables.
Good. Gunav, start learning till 20 now, okay?
Okay,
Good.
ma'am.
Ridhan Goyal,
Yes, ma'am.
till which number you have learned the tables?
Ma'am, till 14 or 15.
Tell me table of 13.
13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 13.
52.
13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 78. 13 seven 13 sevens are
91.
13 sevens are 91. 13 13 eights are
104.
104. 13 nines are 170. 13 tens are 130.
Okay. Next child is after Ridhan, Ekansh. Ekansh, till which number you have learned the tables? Okay, good, Anushka, that you are writing. Good. Ekansh,
Ma'am, can I leave?
yes. Migdad,
Why,
you
ma'am?
can also leave. Ekansh,
Okay.
you stay. Vedi, you stay online. Jahan Agarwal, you stay online. Jahan
Bye,
Agarwal.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Those who have completed their assessment, they can leave.
Ma'am, I'm doing. Ma'am, did you get mine Google form?
Yeah, I got. That's why I'm calling your name, Jahan Agarwal. Can you please tell me the tables now? Turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, my oral has done.
Jahan Agarwal is done. Let me check the names. Yeah, done. So those who have submitted their assessment, they can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have not done, so can I do it?
Yes, please. Ayush Singhania. Ayush,
Ma'am, I also done.
Ayush, you were there in the class?
Ma'am, I also done. The seat.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Akshay.
also done.
So you tell your table's also done. You can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Mohit, you have submitted the test.
I'm just checking my test and cannot be wrong.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm checking my test, so the answer
Okay.
is not wrong.
Okay, fast.